The Crimean Status Referendum of 2014 was a disputed referendum concerning the status of Crimea, held on March 16, 2014 in the Autonomous Republic of Crimea and the local government of Sevastopol. The referendum was approved and held amidst Russia's annexation of Crimea. The referendum asked local populations whether they wanted to join Russia as a federal subject or if they wanted to restore the 1992 Crimean constitution and Crimea's status as a part of Ukraine. The official result from the Autonomous Republic of Crimea was a 97% vote for integration of the region into the Russian Federation with an 83% voter turnout, and within the local government of Sevastopol there was also a 97% vote for integration of the region into the Russian Federation with an 89% voter turnout. The March 16 referendum's available choices did not include keeping the status quo of Crimea and Sevastopol as they were at the moment the referendum was held. The 1992 constitution accords greater powers to the Crimean parliament, including full sovereign powers to establish relations with other states. Therefore, many Western and Ukrainian commentators argued that both provided referendum choices would result in de facto separation from Ukraine. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.